Ari kugamba aha mukoro gwo kwijwe emyaka 60 yo kwetegeka kwa Uganda, President Yoweri Kaguta Museveni yasima abanya-Uganda abari kurinda obusinge no kutungura ihanga. Omukoro gwa koromsha ikororo Kampala kandi gwahikohe nkuyanja okuruga mu Uganda na heru yayo. Iheri ya Uganda, erya Uganda People's Defense Force n'ebindi bitongore byo kwerinda byaba biroho okworeka obukoryo. President kuyatandika kugamba yasima omurimo guriyo nukorwa abanya-Uganda okongera entunguka kandi ihe ry'ihanga yarisima omuringo gw'omutano.
Ekisigadde ekikulu kwe kuteesa n'Abaganda baffe ab'e Kenya, Tanzania, Rwanda, Burundi, South Sudan, Congo, Somalia okunyweza akatale akawamu ak'ekitundu kyaffe.
President Museveni aina amasiko omwaka gw'ebyesente 2026 entaasya y'ihanga neija kweyongyera kuhika ahari biriyooni 66 n'obutoenzo 9 omu sente za United States of America.
I am therefore most happy to report to the Ugandans that by June 2026 the economy of Uganda will be USD dollars 66.9 billion in size using the forex method. After the flow of oil, the economy will grow by double digits.
Hariho abari kugira ngu tibari kwendeza ihanga kandi yabashaba kwegarukamu kandi aha mukoro ogu yasasira Kano Mande Samson obire nagezaho kuhekera Uganda.
I'm happy to welcome back into peaceful Uganda Colonel Samson Mande that had fled into exile on account of apparently some internal intrigue. Samson Mande did a good job as a commander of the 15th Battalion in the siege of Masaka in 1985.
And I know that the magnanimous heart of our leader, our dear leader, President Yoweri Museveni, would accept my change of behavior. Thank you very much for accepting me back in my home.
Mukoro ogu emidara 23 yagabirwa abantu abakozere by'omutano bitari bimwe na bimwe okujaguza kwetegeka kwerizoba kwatambura ha mutwe guru kugira ngu a reason to double our efforts in sustaining a united and progressive nation. Gasha kwa Senyomo Gideon.